Get that, Cameron, you get away from it.
Wow.
Yes, please.
Is that interesting? Look at this.
Okay.
That's unbelievable. Oh my God. Don't get too close.
He knows what's up.
It's like tiger. It's tiger cow.
That's unbelievable.
I've never seen anything like that before.
The alligator's scared of the cat. The cat has no fear.
He's ready. He's playing with it. Wow.
The alligator's scared.
Holy crap. Oh, wow. Cameron, your mouth.
Holy cow. That cat showed him.
Good job.
Night mode.
I
Great.
think there's another one.
Come on. Cameron, back up. Look at that too. All right, watch your legs. Ding, 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 over you.
What?
Whoa!
My God.
Cat.
This thing's a fat. They must eat the alligator.
Wow. The cat keeps the alligator so at bay. Look how pretty that one is. Look, look. I was patting that cat before. He's like totally tame. So hell.
That's just crazy.
Look at him. He's a very friendly cat. And he goes, it's like aggressive with the alligators. Like it's the most amazing thing. They're watching. Not letting those alligators up here.
They're like actually watching guard.
Yeah, they're guard cats. Eli, you missed something unbelievable.
Eli, you not